morning. So this is the weather I'm going to be riding in today. It's raining. And when I asked the hotel, do you guys have covering for the bike? They said sure. This is the covering that they have for my bike. Yeah, sure enough, they weren't completely wrong. Bike is covered in rain. All right, so good morning. It's 10 o'clock. Today's plan, it's raining and it's gonna keep raining, I think, until like the afternoon. So I'm gonna head over to the Kyushu National Museum, check that out. Maybe spend the day in there learning about the history and the culture as I wait out the rain. It's gonna be about an hour and 40 minutes till I get there. The rain started to come down harder as I was crossing over the Kanmon Bridge, which is the bridge that connects Honshu to Kyushu, and my motorcycle finally got the shower it needed. I don't know about you, but I'm the type of rider too busy riding to spend time washing my bike. Hence, I let the rain wash it for me. Heading to the museum, I didn't see a motorcycle entrance anywhere, and so I looped back around to the car entrance, where the nice attendant let me know that I could ride past the bar. I was fearing that I would have to park my motorcycle out in the rain, but another friendly parking attendant let me know that I could park in the bicycle covering. Wow, was that a relief. All right. Hey, so I'm over here at the Kyushu National Museum. I thought I had to park outside in the rain. However, all the people that work here actually were like, nah, you can just park your bike under here. Usually it's filled with bicycles on the weekdays, but because today is a holiday, there's no bicycles. So look, there's even a fellow motorcyclist parked under here. This really helps me a lot because I can keep my stuff dry as I go inside the museum. That's the museum over there. The rain had let up a bit, and so I took the opportunity to go to Yoshinogari Park, a large Yayoi archaeological site in Saga Prefecture dating back to as far as 400th century BC. Yoshinogari Park was also designated as a special National Historic Site in 1991 due to the superior features, artifacts, and significance in Japanese prehistory. So I guess that's a fire pit. That's where they would keep a fire going. And it's pretty windy outside, but in here, yeah, it's blocked the wind. And I guess there's little airways up there for the smoke to come out. Yeah, Yayoi period. So they already had a whole bunch of armor and arrows. That's it. Okay, I was just at Yoshinogari Park. It featured some settlements from the Yayoi period. It's freaking awesome. I should have spent more time there, but I'm gonna head over to my hotel. It's about an hour and 10 minutes away. That's what I'm gonna do now. Here we go. weather forecast said it was going to rain in the morning and then in the afternoon clear up, but it just turned out to rain all day. I went to Kyushu National Museum. That was interesting. The rain let up, so I was like, oh great, okay, let me go to Yoshinogari Park. And it started raining again. So I just called it quits and came to the hotel. Tomorrow onwards it's supposed to be sunny, so I'm hoping I can get more footage then. Okay, good night.